Hey y'all, we're trying a bag of fully cooked snow crab legs and claws for $15. So we're gonna make a quick, tasty, flavorful seafood boil our way. We're placing our crab in a large $1 pan. Ain't seen no seasonings on these crab legs. Y'all, that's a lot of crab legs for the low. We ain't doing those $20 for a tiny cluster or crab leg. Let's add some flavor to our crab legs with Old Bay. Have y'all ever used Old Bay seasoning? What is y'all favorite seafood? We're adding our pre-boiled potatoes. Told y'all this is a quick seafood boil. And a couple of corn on a cob. We're loading the pan. We got our two-boiled eggs. We're adding some flavor to the eggs, corn, and potatoes. It's going to be so good. We're coating everything with some melted unsalted butter and some Old Bay. Meanwhile, our oven is preheating. Let's make sure everything is coated on both sides with butter. Let's place it in the oven for a few minutes. I love y'all, so y'all can have a whole pan. Don't touch that pan if you're not subscribed. I ain't sharing mine. But y'all, we're about to chow down.